Right, so we're able to find somewhere to park. So here's actually an old abandoned train trestle located on the abandoned portion of the Walking Horse and Eastern Railway. Let's see if I can find my way up here without getting... Oh, no, I can't do that. I can't do that. But here's actually an old little abandoned train trestle. Actually, if I be able to... I might be able to get over on this side. And unfortunately, there's no luck I can. So that sucks. But yeah. Unfortunately, I couldn't get up there. So that kind of sucked. There's an old little abandoned train trestle here in Shelbyville, Tennessee. Peace.